welcome to MC My Photo. My name is Rod. Today we're going to be talking about bulk. And bulk is where you can get the main subject in front and the background blurred. It's particularly good when you've got lights shining in the background. And hopefully it should look like this. And all you would need for that is some lights, which I got from the pound shop, and I got a neon light from my daughter. She had it from her birthday present. So let's take some photos. Well, so what I've done is got some lights here, got my neon light there, and you've got the subject in the front. And the lens I'm using at the moment is my long lens, and I've got the speed at 160 and the IOS to 200, and keep the f number to the lowest number. And this does work a lot better when it's dark. And as usual, if you want to email me and leave a message, please do. And so let's just have some fun.